Hello everyone, John here at E.C.D Automotive Design down in Kissimmee, Florida. As you know, of course, we've been around for over 12 years, built over 600 vehicles, etc. But it's very interesting to see some of the backstories from clients that have done custom builds with us. Not only, of course, we produce amazing vehicles and very unique in their own way, but it's also interesting to see what was the reason why some of these folks came to us and decided to do a custom build with ECD. Now, the first vehicle that comes to mind is Project Island Girl. Her client grew up in the Caribbean, and her dream was always to build a Defender exactly the way that she envisioned it, with right-hand drive, the colors, of course, that she always liked growing up, earth tones and a white exterior, very bright and very clean. But the whole thing started coincidentally by her going to Jamaica and seeing one of our cars outside a restaurant. So we had done the year prior a Defender 90 for another client in that area. Of course, she was thinking about doing a project, wasn't sure what to do, what had to start it, and then she saw ECD on this truck. So she did all the research and reached out to us. She had previously bought a Defender 110 from South Africa, which was a 1990 model that for some reason she loved the idea of owning a 1990. It was a very important year to her, and therefore will tie in with everything else, of course, that she had in mind. She ended up bringing her truck here to ECD, and Project Island Girl, a few months after that, of course, came to life. Another one that was a great inspiration was Project Rover. This is a Series 2-3 hybrid, which a couple of friends that grew up together had an idea as a home project. And they started working on the car, of course, as you normally would with your buddies on the weekend, and got a few things started on the car, but unfortunately, his best friend passed away. The car was actually stored for a while, and we're not sure what to do with it. And of course, the client that reached out to us asked us if we can possibly bring together all these ideas that he's accumulated over years and put them together in a custom build. So Grover, the character for Sesame Street, was the inspiration behind the name, and they also kept the color, blue color of the exterior, of course, with a few add-ons that they decided to put in the car to make it a little bit more special. Most stories come from different backgrounds, and there was one in particular that really stood out. Project Monarch. One of our clients was actually visiting New York, and she came around a Ferrari dealership. Now, what really captured their attention is this beautiful green Ferrari with this distressed leather that they'd never seen before.